Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I am not on Lake Okeechobee right now. Just wanted to do an update video, practice update, or not practice update. So kind of a crazy week so far. So as you guys know, came down to Florida on Tuesday of this week to get started with getting the boat and truck wrapped. My buddy Chris Kingery with 44 Tackle, he's been doing that. And so yeah, the plan was to get that done and then head down to Okeechobee for the first day of practice, which was yesterday. However, as you can see, I'm here in Georgia at Buc-ee's, making a quick stop. Where's the Buc-ee's sign? Doesn't really matter, but we're here at Buc-ee's real quick because we actually ended up turning around on Friday. You can see here we were working on the wrap, getting some of it done. Got the hood and these door panels done, and then we had a family emergency. Little Riley had some issues. We had a little bit of a health scare. And let me get the trash out of the car. It's kind of a mess right now. As you can see, I'm just on the run, but just wanted to update you guys real quick. I've been living off energy drinks and Buc-ee's burritos for the last week. Anyway, so Riley had a little bit of a health scare, and she's doing good. She's doing great. It was pretty scary in the moment because she has never been really sick, and we had some things that we were a little bit concerned about, but then she ended up getting two illnesses at once that ended up just seeming scarier than it actually was. So we hopped in the truck. I had Chris cut the wrap off where he was at on the truck, and I drove straight through back to Tennessee. And Riley's doing great. So that is the good news, is that I got up there and it turned out to be probably more likely to be kind of a mix of getting a couple different illnesses and just seeming more more crazy than it actually was, more dangerous than it actually was. So she's doing great. Spent Friday night, Saturday, and this morning, Sunday, with Riley, and she's doing awesome. She's really, the antibiotics have really made her seem pretty normal. So she was doing great. She was trending in the right direction. So we decided that I could head back down to Okeechobee. So that gives us 2.5 days of practice if everything goes well, no equipment malfunctions or anything like that. So yeah, that's where we're at. We haven't been on the water yet. I'm jonesing to get out there, but really it was family first. That's the reason why I had to leave Florida on Friday, and potentially, I was fully ready to just not fish this tournament. If things were actually, as bad as we were hoping they weren't, it was definitely something where I may have not even gone back down to Florida. So I'm glad that that's not the case. I'm glad that little Riley's doing great, and that it was only just a little bit of a scare. So anyways, being a parent is scary, especially being a new parent. There's just so much new territory that you're just not trained for, and so it was really tough being away from home. So I couldn't imagine being in Alaska where I couldn't just hop in a truck and drive up. I couldn't imagine that being the case. So I was really fortunate to be able to just hop in the truck and head up and be there in 9 or 10 hours. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna hit the road, keep driving down. Still got to pick up my boat at Chris's house on the way down in Central Florida, and then I'm gonna get to the rental that we're staying at with a bunch of the guys at Okeechobee, and then we're gonna be out tomorrow morning, and we're gonna go kick some tail, because it is going to be a situation where, like, I am so motivated right now to just go out there and just pour some gas on this fire. I am like ready to get out there and have a good time and figure this out, because Okeechobee is my favorite tournament fishery, even though I don't have those 2 extra days to drive around and look, really look at the whole lake. I still feel like we're going to be able to find something with this shortened practice time. So anyways, guys, just wanted to give you an update. I got to hit the road. I got to get down there. There's lots to do, but that is why I haven't been on the water for the last 2 days. Thank you guys for all the support. Everything's cool at home. Everything's good with the family. So, no need for prayers or anything like that. We're solid. So thank you guys so much. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. I'm going to see you out on the water soon, and trust the process.